Welcome back to Teach Yourself. Are you ready to transform the way you learn? Today, we're sharing 5 powerful tips to master the art of self-learning. Whether you're learning a new skill, advancing in your career, or pursuing a hobby, these strategies will set you on the path to success. Tip number 1. Start with clear, actionable goals. Define what you want to learn and break it down into smaller milestones. For example, instead of saying, "I want to learn graphic design," specify the tools or techniques you want to master and the timeline to achieve them. Setting SMART goals. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Keeps you motivated and focused. Tip number 2. Build a routine that works for you. Learning is most effective when it becomes a consistent habit. Decide on the best time to study based on your energy levels. Whether it's early in the morning, during a lunch break, or late at night, even 30 minutes a day, when done consistently, adds up to tremendous progress over time. Tip number 3. Break complex topics into smaller, manageable chunks. Learning a new skill or concept can feel overwhelming at first. But when you divide it into smaller parts and tackle them one at a time, it becomes much more achievable. Think of it as climbing a staircase. One step at a time leads you to the top. Tip number 4. Let your curiosity guide you. Asking questions is the foundation of learning. Why does something work the way it does? How can you apply this knowledge? Seek answers through videos, books, podcasts, or online forums. The more curious you are, the more engaged and inspired you'll feel on your learning journey. Tip number 5. Reflect on what you've learned and apply it. Self-learning isn't just about consuming information. It's about practicing and refining your skills. After every learning session, ask yourself, what did I understand? What can I improve? Then put it into practice. Remember, practice makes permanent, not just perfect. Here's a bonus tip. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Learning is a marathon, not a sprint. Every step forward is a win. So acknowledge your efforts and keep going. We hope these tips inspire you to start or continue your self-learning journey with confidence. Let us know in the comments what skills or topics you're currently exploring. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to join us every week for more learning insights. Together, let's learn, grow, and succeed.